Okay, the last thing I want to talk about, I try to just get in like a marketing thing. I think it was last week, or the week before, I talked about the importance of putting out a newsletter. And yeah, it's one of those things like listen to what I say, not what I do. It's been 6 months since I published my newsletter because I got so busy. But I did go ahead and publish my newsletter. And at the beginning of it, I mentioned, okay, Biden created this U4U Ukraine program where you come in pretty quick, get a client getting here in a week after filing. It's insane how fast it works. And then I had this client from like 4 or 5 years ago who was Ukrainian on the list, and he immediately replied and said, "Look, my sister's been trying to get out. They keep denying tourist visas. What's the deal with this program?" And I was like, I felt so awful because I was like, I should have sent this newsletter. I was too busy, but I shouldn't have been too busy. If I send this newsletter out like 4 months or 3 months or whenever U4U came out and listed this, that was that much earlier that we could get started on this case. One, so that there's 100,000 cap limit on U4U. So that I'm not sure if it's run out yet. It's probably not run out, but if it does, it's going to be bad. Secondly, like this person, the 3 or 4 months like for them to become aware of the U4U program until they come here, they might, Russia's probably bombing like cities, indiscriminately. There's civilians getting killed here. So you could have saved a life. So when you think about immigration law, it's not all forms. When you think about sending a newsletter out, it's not all sales and marketing. You literally could save someone's life. And I feel really bad now. I'm like, this weekend I was feeling awful. I'm like, wow, my failure to send out marketing material, someone's life may have got ruined. So it's like the marketing material is just so much deeper than just paying the bills. It's like get information out there that can change people's lives. Because again, that's what we do. As always, you've got to remember, immigration law, you're changing people's lives. You're making the world go around for people to get where they need to go. You're helping them through this really difficult, dark time in their lives to get them safety, get them to success. And so we play a crucial role. So any marketing and sales that we do is to the benefit of people. We're trying to cure them of an ill. So always think about that from now on, when I do my newsletters and I'm running late, I'm like, no, this information in there could save someone's career, could save someone's life, could save someone's family member. Don't put it off and be like, oh, it's just marketing material. No, it's life-saving material, and it should be thought of as that way. Because again, this U4U just one example. There's just a bunch of stuff. Maybe a business case might have some changes. Maybe a removal case law has some changes. Like this whole TPS thing, I got to put it in there. Might be a person that could get TPS, and they're like, oh, we could get admission and then fix things up and cure it. Why not do that? This information is there now. That creates work and business for the firm. That's a side note here. At least the person knows that this option exists, so then they could go to a pro bono place if they want to do that, or do it themselves, whatever it is. At least they know this information is there, and you played your part in helping them take advantage of things that are there for them to help them out. So I always try to lead with a marketing material thing. This one's kind of repetitive, but it really at the point. It's really important to know. It's personal too, to get it out there and get the content out there. Don't put it off, and don't think of it as like a money making scheme or look negative towards it. It really literally could save people's lives in certain instances.